Get your piping hot ice cold barbecues! That's right. Let's get started. Get your piping hot ice cold barbecues! Alright, getting started. We're gonna start by drawing one of the best mixel fusions for Series 2, starting with the mixel fusion of Slumbo and Volk. These two work together, and they work together to create a delicious stand where they sold this dish called barbecues. When they accidentally mixed ice cube and barbecue together, creating this infinite Frosticon lunch called barbecues.
Bob and Patrick on Amazon Music.
Stick your hands up in the air. Shake your bottom like your pants are square. Start a trembling down in your knees.
Here's the fire that comes out of the ice.
Would you like a little extra cheese? Now you're doing the Krabby Patty. Flipping patties at the Krusty Krab. That's how I started this brand new fad. I know I'm looking real good right now with my big blue eyes and my L7 trow. You wanna learn? Well, I'll teach you how. You'll be doing the Krabby Patty. Join my crusty crew. I made the Krabby Patty just for you. Roll out those hot dogs, burgers, and fries. Lose the bowls of chili and the pizza pies. How do you cook it, man? That's no riddle.
Sizzle just a little in the middle of the grill.
Just ask any gourmet fish. It's Bikini Bottom's #1 dish. The Krusty Krab's really where it's at. Look how we rolled out the welcome mat. The patty's skinny, but the buns are fat. When we're doing the Krabby Patty.
There we are. Now we're gonna draw the other stand. Get your piping hot!
Here's what you gotta do. Take your patty.
Get your fresh Shog Rock Pops right here! Just one muck!
It's such a thrill. Now you're
This is the second stand that was shown in Season 2. Also, this was the first time I've ever got to see Electro fuse with another mixel.
with that spatula.
And what the fusion was, a crater.
Slice a pickle. Now put it on a bun. You're almost done. Here it comes. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, you're looking
Alexa, what is Coachella?
The Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival is an annual event held at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California. The festival centers around its high-profile music lineups, featuring both established and up-and-coming artists from a wide range of genres, who perform on themed stages across the festival grounds.
How interesting. Anyways, their signature lunch was an accident when Electro accidentally got zaps in Crater's Rocks. But the two of them, well, four of them, thought they were delicious, and they decided to sell the stands together. Oh, Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Stick your hands up in the air. Shake your bottom like your pants are square. Start trembling down in your knees. Slide on the floor like it's covered with grease. Would you like a little extra cheese? Now you're doing the Krabby Patty. Flipping patties at the Krusty Krab. That's how I started this brand new fad. I know I'm looking real good right now.
Here are the Rock Pops.
With my big blue eyes and my L7 trow. You wanna learn? Well, I'll teach you how. You'll be doing the Krabby Patty.
Here's his hand.
Come on, join my crusty crew. I made the Krabby Patty just for you. Throw out those hot dogs, burgers, and fries. Lose the bowls of chili and the pizza pies. How do you cook it, man? That's no riddle.
Gotta sizzle just a little in the middle of the grill.
Just ask any gourmet fish. It's Bikini Bottom's #1 dish. The Krusty Krab's really where it's at. Look how we rolled out the welcome mat. The patty's skinny, but the buns are fat. When we're doing the Krabby Patty.
Here's his
Oh, you wanna learn
marks.
to do the Krabby Patty?
Here's the
Well, here's what you gotta do. Take your patty and throw it on the grill. Can you feel it? It's such a thrill. Now you reach up and put on some Keisha. You're a natural with that spatula. Let the mustard trickle and a little slice of pickle. Now put it on a bun. You're almost done. Here it comes. Yum, 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 yum.
here are the sparks.
Oh, you're looking good. Start your diet tomorrow. Slap some lettuce on it. Buy a bag, a box, a carton, a case. Stomp your feet and feed your face.
There we are. Be sure to add the letters on here. Usually I use Photoshop to put on the letters. But I'm doing this my way. Did you know that Yo Gabba Gabba was at Coachella? I plan to draw them one of these days. You hear that, DJ Lance? You and your buddies are gonna get drawn up on my page. I even have a special picture just for you. Okay, there's Barbecubes. Now for Rock Pops. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Stick your hands up in the air. Shake your bottom like your pants are square. Start trembling down in your knees. Slide on the floor like it's covered with grease. Would you like a little...
And finished. There we are. That's how you draw the stands for Electro and Crater and Volk and Slumbo. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what mixel you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.